Welcome to Hack Your Plate, exposing the truth in your burger choices. Let's find out why grilled chicken is the real MVP. So let's talk about fried chicken burgers. Yeah, they're crispy and delicious, but they're like the villains of your diet. Loaded with extra fat, calories, and sometimes even trans fats. Yikes. Now switch to the good guy, grilled chicken burgers. These are lower in fat and calories, plus they pack a protein punch. That means more muscles, less fat, and hey, grilled chicken is also brimming with nutrients like B vitamins and minerals. Your body will thank you for it. And guess what? They taste awesome too. So, next time you're craving a burger, remember, grilled chicken is like the superhero your body needs. Stay healthy, stay happy. Catch you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned for more delicious content.